Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. What are the symptoms of a MAF sensor failure? Let's see, the MAF sensor or flow meter can fail, in many cases because it is dirty. In fact, in most cases, it fails because of that. Being dirty, it does not give a correct reading to the ECU, so the ECU does not inject the fuel properly. It does not inject the adequate amount, let's say the stoichiometric mixture, but sometimes it can also be because it is defective, because it has a bad connector, or because of the wiring, but it can also be because there is an air leak in the system intake that can also cause those same failures. The main failures are, firstly, that it does not start, the engine does not start, or there is difficulty in starting it. It is difficult to start it. Secondly, that only the engine stops while you are accelerating. This does not usually happen, but when you release the accelerator, it stops. Thirdly, the idle is unstable. The revolutions go up and down without you touching the accelerator. Fourthly, the engine jerks. You accelerate and you see that the car it jerks. It does not respond well to the accelerator. Fifthly, loss of power, precisely because the ECU cannot correctly calculate the stoichiometric mixture. Sixthly, it would be the increase in fuel consumption. And seventhly, it would be related with the previous one, black smoke. Precisely because of this increase in fuel, it injects an excess of fuel that cannot be burned well. But that is why, because it gives incorrect information to the ECU, and that causes black smoke. But in addition to these errors, when diagnosing them, you have to keep in mind that they are generic faults. Sometimes the MAF sensor can fail, and it can lead to the ECU detecting that there is a problem with the MAP sensor or the IAT, or even with the EGR. I have uploaded some videos about this. So I always say that before changing the parts, you have to check them. And above all, you have to try to clean the parts. That in many cases, it is not necessary to change them. Just clean them. And even if you get an error in the MAF sensor, well, apart from cleaning the MAF sensor, also clean the MAP sensor, and also clean the IAT sensor. If it has it independent, the IAT is the air temperature sensor in the intake. Do these tests before changing parts, or change the EGR, because sometimes an EGR fault also appears. And it is the MAF sensor, as I say. Clean these parts before changing anything. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.